this is what we need to understand. As I said previously, most of the COVID infections are mild and they can be effectively managed at home. Having said that, you still have cases who progress very rapidly and they require hospitalization. So generally, we admit patients whose saturations are less than 94%, or patient who has got extensive pneumonia with underlying comorbidities, or patient who requires an oxygenation or ventilatory assistance. So whenever your doctor admits a patient of COVID in the hospital, that means already the patient has progressed from a state of mild disease to moderate and severe. When you get admitted in the hospital, there are multiple treatment aspects to the COVID. One we call this the antivirals. The most commonly being used is the remdesivir injection. Apart from that, we have something called as an anti-inflammatory, which we use in the form of the steroids, and we use something called as a blood thinners in the form of anticoagulants. These forms the essential three pillars of medical management of any patient with COVID. But apart from that, there are other important modalities to the treatment. One, timely initiation of an oxygen and timely initiation of a ventilatory assistance in patients who need it. Apart from that, one simple technique which most of the patients can do whenever they start having fall in their oxygen saturation is just to lie on the prone position. So the government of India has even given clear guidelines how you have to prone yourself. Prone means just nothing but you are lying upside down. This is a very simple technique that can be followed at any sort of institution or even at home to improve your lung reserves and thereby increase your oxygen levels to some extent. But this is not the only treatment. And having said that, even patients who get admitted in the hospital, sometimes despite all these medications, can still have a downhill course and they may have a rapid worsening of their underlying infection. So it is not that all patients who receive medications generally make it. Few patients have a very rapid spread of this pneumonia and they may land up having an oxygen or a ventilator, and eventually on a ventilator, definitely the outcomes of the patients of COVID are generally poor in comparison to the patient who is not on a ventilator. And apart from that, we also have very advanced modes of managing COVID, like patient being on ECMO. ECMO is nothing but you are externally supporting the oxygenation of the lung by means of an artificial machine. And in very, very few subset of population, when all these things have failed, there are also case reports of patient undergoing lung transplantation. So this is all the course medications that we have and the modalities we have when we manage you in hospital.